Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be uh, doing some 3D modeling. Um, hmm. So, as you all probably tuned in or know by now, I'm doing a hydroponics kind of like tower thing. So we wired that all up the other day, and the pump didn't fit. So yeah, the pump didn't fit the hose that we were using. So I went back and forth in my head and decided that we're gonna be using a different pump that I have laying around. The problem with this is it's half an inch, or what is it? Yeah, I think it's half-inch tubing. So that's not gonna fit on the itty bitty. What's that? One half, 1/4 or something kind of connector that we have. Um, which is, ooh, actually, so this is the normal connector. Yeah, for the hose we have, it's not gonna work because it just whoop. Nope, there's no grip on that at all. This is 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So um we gotta make an adapter in 3D modeling to go from that, which this is the correct adapter for that hose. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep. Okay. Let's see if it backgrounds. Yep. That's the correct adapter for that hose, and we gotta make one that'll fit the other one too. So it'll have both hoses, male to male, uh, 1/4 to 1/2. So let's get started with that. All right. 2 minutes of intro. Cool. Not really. All right. So let's get started. Design. Let's save this. New design. Oh man. Control save. You can only editable documents. Read only. Make read only. You know what? That's fine. We just need one. I hate how Fusion 360 now is subscription based. Kind of. Okay, so 1/2 inch to one. What is it? No, it was like 3/8. No, 1/4 adapter. Inch male to male adapter. All right. So that's in our thing. All right. So the thing is, you can only edit 10, but you can have more than 10 or something. I don't know. So let me get my caliper. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch of shit today. All right. The smallest point is 4. Okay, so 4.25. Because of the growth, we are going to do 4 point. Yeah, just 4 point. And the highest one is 4.5. So we're gonna do how much distance between the two of them? It's about 4. So that 4. The other one I said, what was it? What was it? 6.5. And we've got to, oh man, center that midpoint. Where did midpoint go? Did they update this? Oh man, I think they updated this. Nope, 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 nope. There we go. No, they didn't. Okay, so line. Bam, 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 bam. And they also have a 4mm, about a 2mm. So let's make it 3. 4, 3.5. They have a little bit of a piece to go into to lead it. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, I gotta leave some room for expansion because this is all gonna be. Whoa there. Actually, should I be doing it this way? See, there's several ways to design an object in 3D. Or what? To design an object. Oh, god damn it. In Fusion 360. Actually, I think this is the wrong way to do it. This is gonna be a. I said what? 4 mil? 4 mil? 4.15. Yeah, I'm dealing with. Oh god. Okay. Home this. And then the inside hose is gonna be 3. So 3. Fudge. Three. We're gonna go with 3. And then we're gonna build another thing on here. Actually, no. Finish sketch. Alright, so next it's gonna be. And do a loft, I guess? Oh, no, it's between 2. Damn it. Alright, so. So we're gonna sketch it out. Basically same as here. Finish. Extrude. We're gonna do it. How big is this piece right here? 5. What did I say before? Yeah, it's about 4 or 5. No. We don't want to add it. We want to new body. that. Then we want to make another sketch there. Okay, I said 6.5 for this one, so 6.4. And this one's gonna be, I guess, wait, 6.4, so 3.4. We're gonna go with 3.8, maybe? No. We'll just go with 4, I guess. Oh, that was fine. Oh, that's good. Okay. Alright, next. We're going to turn off that body and turn back on that sketch. So this create a loft between, no, that one. Create a loft between that one and that one. No, between that one. And that one. All right, okay, we're that's fine. All right. Next one. Nope, I still want that, and we're still going to create a loft between that and that. New body. Okay, so this one is going to add on to that. Oh, that and that. Okay. All right. We're going to combine this. And we're going to cut. Okay. There we go. Okay, there's the nozzle for pushing it in to the 1/2 or 1/4 doodad. So I feel that that's pretty good. Let's turn off that and that. All right. So there we go. That's just a copy of what we have here, and it might need a few little tweaks and stuff, but and that goes down to 5. All right, so we're gonna sketch it out. There's a little tail end to it because you fit more hose on it supposedly. Where's 5? Actually, I think this is just all the way through. Okay, so I might have to save that trick for later. Yeah, we're just doing that. We're not doing that. we're gonna just combine this, join. We're just gonna boop boop. We're just gonna combine this and then that, and we're gonna cut. Yeah, that. You know what? Let's just extrude it. Makes it a lot easier. Okay. Yep. Okay. And then there. What did I say? 5? I said 5, right? I said 4 point something, actually. Yeah, I said 5. 5. We're doing that. Circle. There to there. Finish. Extrude this way. How big is it? About 6.5. Oh hell, let's make it 7 so I'm not there. Alright, so that's what the thing's gonna rest on. Next is gonna be the other adapter. Actually, no, I gotta make a point for it to rest on, so it's not. Yep, there. Circle. Finish sketch. We're just gonna do that for about 2 millimeters of that. We're gonna tone that down a bit. And then circle. Oh, another circle there. Circle there. Circle like 10. There. Alright. Finish sketch. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How big is the hole supposed to be? This one's about 9.5. 9.5 is going to be the main hole, and the outside's supposed to be 13 point something. Alright, so wait, no, what's the smallest point? 12 point something. Yeah, we'll get about the same. Because I also have to worry about the flow. Going from a large output into a small input. Which is, something I have to figure out. Because the pressure... Well, it'll increase with pressure because the flow rate is different, because it's different size tubing, and it's... I don't know. I might have to go through several iterations of these before I actually find the correct one. So inside. Let's just keep it going. Keep it going. This is 9.5. Okay. So how much distance do I want to shrink this down by? Okay, so we're good right there. Okay, okay, so extrude. Maybe we're gonna go about what, 10? Another 10. We'll go about maybe 20. Because again, I have to shrink it down from where it is. That's what I wanted. Oh, come on. They just made this a whole shit ton. Nope, 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 nope. I don't know why, but it's acting completely weird and different now. What the hell? I can't flip it the way I want. I can't. I can rotate it right and left up there, but when I try and rotate it right and left up this way, it's not working. What the shit? Free orbit. There we go. They were messing around with things. They were messing around with things. Oof. I do not like this new version of AutoCAD. Oof. Okay, so yeah, we were working on the back end of this. Alright. Alright, so we got enough there. Oh, did I combine those? Nope, I did not want to combine those. That was going to be a new body. Okay. The next thing was going to be there. Yep, nope, that's fine. Okay, so next thing was going to be there. And we were going to... what was I going to do? Wait, can I see this now? Alright, so I was going to... Yep, nope. What was it? What was the inner diameter or something? Whatever, 9.5 or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna go down to 9, and then. Oh, wait a second. I should actually. Yeah, no, 9 there. And I really should put it to where the hose is going to be. So, like 22. Circle. Because this is the back end of the hose where you got to fit it against something. So, I want to make it so that I can push it against a stopper piece like I did with right here. This is a little bit larger right here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. It's a little bit larger right here in between, from going from this to this. This 10 millimeter. I know it's never gonna fit on here, but it's a good way to stop the hose and just have it just be done right there. So, and then we're gonna use the rest of this inside to just cone shape it down to limit the pressure of where it's going to basically force it to where it needs to go instead of it spouting out all over the place. So finish sketch, we're going to minus that. We are going to go from create a loft from, turn on that, there, to there. Okay, that's fine. That disappeared. We're also going to make this disappear. I want to go from here to here. Oh, I forgot to do the actual loft from there. Okay, and then we're going to combine the two. Sketch out, sketch out. Okay. And so now it kind of looks completely different. Now that I got all that water going, scaling down to this little thing. Alright, so this is going to be a stopper piece. I don't really need to worry about... you know what? Let's extend it by like 2. Alright, 2.5. That's fine. And then from here, we're going to make the male end adapter. Alright. Fudge. Home this. Alright, so we're gonna... Okay, there. It's about maybe... What was the thing? 12.5. I know there's going to be some expansion there. How big was it? 6. So let's do 7. New there. JSQ. Okay. Alright, see. That's always going to stay that one. And then we're going to expand it to the highest expansion point is going to be 13.75. 13.5. And that one's gonna be, the height wise is gonna be 4. Oh, crud. Oh, yeah, no. That one and the small... Okay, so I'm trying to make small triangle-shaped pieces. Let's see. That one. So if you look at this, you see how it's got, like, ridges and stuff at the end of it. we're trying to recreate those so it the catches the tube. And I'm gonna wrap some tape around it. Forget what it's called. I know I have it somewhere, but I'm gonna wrap some tape around it so it seals it better when it gets jammed in there. So I mean, waterproofing it's probably not the. It's also going to be printed in 100% infill when I do this. So I want to. Okay, so right now I'm trying to make the triangle shaped things on the end of the hose so it catches it. What was I doing? Okay, so. Alright. Okay, so let's. I really hate these new controls. Holy cow. They like really screwed the pooch on the update for this. It's less controllable for this Fusion 360. I don't know if they're trying to kill off Fusion 360 or what's going on, but I have less control over it. Yeah, let's just finish that. Okay, so I said what? 4 expansion 4 new body. Okay. So here what's the height of this one, or the lowest point of the triangle is like 12.7. So all right, circle. So 12.75. So I 12.5. There. Oh, circle. Finish sketch. Remove that. And then we're going to do this loft thing again. What? Oh. What did I do wrong? What do I need to, like... I think it might actually need a, Alright, let's create a loft. Where is it now? Loft. From... Oh, nope. Yep. Looks like I might need to... Boop. Okay. Create loft. It looks like it can only be done from... Could not be created. Try changing the input, swapping the profile. Okay. Huh. That's how I did it before, right? Alright. Let's try it again. And this, see, 12.5, see, finish sketch. Nope, not the sketch. Let's create a loft. Oh, is it because of... Oh, just get out of there. Create loft. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, yep, nope, there we go. And then body 7. Combine this with that and cut. There we go. Yep, okay. I'm going to smooth that out. Alright, let's do that again then. $13.5. 9, finish. 1. 0.5. And then create another one. Finish sketch, extrude. 4. Pull back up. That there. See. 9. 12.5. Finish sketch. Remove the... Nope, remove this. Create a loft between this. That. Join, okay. Then grab that and combine. Okay. Hey, we're almost there. So we got 2 of those triangle thingies, and I'm trying to smooth out these edges so it doesn't get stuck. Move that. Okay. Yeah, so we got 2 of them dealt with. And I should just have one more that I want to do. And that should be it. Hopefully this will hold up too, because some things you don't know if it's going to hold in 3D printing until you actually do it. I mean, I don't mind if it leaks a little, because it's going to be all self-contained in a hydroponics farm, or it's in a tower, so if it drips a little, it'll just drip onto basically the one of the plants or something, and that's fine. Okay, so last one. Boop, boop, C. For circle, to 9 millimeters, then to 13. No. 0.5. Yep. Finish. See. or no, E. Ugh. E 1.5, 1.5, then C, 9-inch C. Oh, no. Finish sketch. 4. Is this one larger for whatever? Yeah. No, it's 4, and then it just like drags on for about another millimeter or so. Or another, what, 5 millimeters afterwards? 4, 5? Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me just check that. And yeah. Okay. So same procedure here. We're gonna nope, see there. See 9 12.5 finish. Okay, so next remove that. Create a loft. So a loft just connects 2 pieces. Okay, cancel that. Oh. Duh. It connects 2 drawings. So it'll try and shape it down into like that slanted kind of thing that we're going for right here, that I've done so many times before without actually telling you what it does. So loft, it'll bring down. It'll do that nice like cone shape like we've been doing between, so it can match 2 separate sizes of things, so you can connect them easily in Fusion 360, which is what I like. Next is that. So we're going to combine this and cut it, and we can see all the way to the back. Okay, good. And this one is going to have an extra 5 millimeters on that way, so it can. Oh, nope. And we're also going to give it a little bit of a taper, both on the inside and on the out, so that way so that way it doesn't. Also kind of want to combine that so it's not like totally screwed up. Actually this one. Nope. 0.5. Actually, we're gonna do this one at a time then. Just so it slides on the hose a little bit easier on this side. Yep, and the same thing on that side. Yeah, I want these a bit rounded so that way they don't poke into the thing and catch on it, and just I don't want it to end horribly where it rips the hose. I know it can't, but I mean, like, it makes it slide in easier for the most part. Oh, this one. Yeah, do that too. Alright. Yep, so there we go. Hopefully this will all work. I was being real fancy here with the thing here, but hopefully this just doesn't break off. I don't want to do any more on this one because it's just such a small hose. I don't really care. The pressure might just kill it. If not, I'll just wrap it in some tape, Teflon tape. That's what I was going for. Plumber's tape. And just do that on both sides if it doesn't fit right. I'd rather have it too small than too big, because of thermal expansion and everything. So there we go. This should print out to be a nice little adapter. Okay, so we got to save it. Yep. Control S, of course. So this is actually the first time I'm actually using the loft function a lot. Got real fancy with this piece. Not sure if that was a smart thing to do, like I said before, but hey, it's there. Next, yep. So that's our little doodad. We're gonna print it out sometime between today and tomorrow, and hopefully it works. Alright, so until then, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to encourage your creative thinking and just, do what you love. Alright, bye.